My name is Kelvin Gordon. I'm a street performing artist. I perform downtown on the Fremont Street Experience, as well as from time to time on the Strip. And I am a box contortionist. What made me start street performing is my love for the freedom to be yourself and having people enjoy watching it.
I am Chris Peterson. I am the legal director here at the ACLU of Nevada. We've received a lot of complaints from people claiming that the Fremont Street Limited Liability Company, a private corporation, has been regulating speech and other First Amendment activity down on the pedestrian mall, and over time has become more and more aggressive about limiting people's First Amendment activity. The final straw was when we learned that Fremont Street Experience had imposed a curfew on people under the age of 21, barring them from coming onto the pedestrian mall. And did so even though the city of Las Vegas had decided not to pass a law that would have prevented them. To clarify, the city of Las Vegas and the Fremont Street Experience Limited Liability Company are two different things. The city of Las Vegas is a government. Those people are elected by the people of Las Vegas. Fremont Street Experience Limited Liability Company is a private company. The leaders aren't elected.
There has been an erosion of people's First Amendment rights and the ability and the freedom to express First Amendment rights as performing artists, from my experience. I am threatened with a citation or to be sent home, or literally restricted from performing. And not being able to perform, you can't make bills, you can't make rent. It impacts you greatly. I can't even call it management, it's harassment. They were using their security authority to try to intimidate performers into not coming.
So there's a long history of street performers performing on the Fremont Street pedestrian mall. However, over time, the city has imposed more and more regulations on people who are trying to engage in performing arts down on Fremont Street. And that's a huge problem because performing arts is a First Amendment activity. The city of Las Vegas passed laws allowing the Fremont Street Experience Limited Liability Company to regulate First Amendment activity on the Fremont Street pedestrian mall. Because it's a public forum, the city can't give special privileges to a private company to control other people's rights or to exempt that private company from the regulations that the city is imposing on everybody else. And what we're looking for here is for equal treatment and to make sure that the people who are regulating that space are the people who are qualified to do that, not private corporations.
Some rules are needed. The problem is the manipulation and how some rules are unfairly applied. Know that street performers love their art. I can speak for myself as a performer. I try to do a good performance and hope that people can enjoy the experience.
To stay updated on this case, you can go to our website at aclunv.org, or you can follow us on social media at ACLUNV.